healthy breakfast is basically the morning MVP, the meal that sets the tone for the whole day. And in the fast-paced American grind where folks are rushing to work, school, or errands with a coffee in one hand and a half-eaten granola bar in the other, it's easy to forget how much that first bite shapes your mood, energy levels, cravings, and even decision-making. When people talk about a healthy breakfast, they're really talking about building a plate that hits all the important marks: protein, fiber, complex carbs, healthy fats, and enough vitamins and minerals to get your brain and body moving without that mid-morning crash that makes you raid the vending machine like you're on a mission. The cool thing is that breakfast doesn't have to be some complicated Instagram chef masterpiece. It just has to be intentional, balanced, and built around fiber-rich foods, whole grains, and high-protein breakfast staples that keep you locked in and ready for the day. Whether you're hitting the gym, doing a 9-to-5 grind, or running around getting kids ready for school, most people in the US say they skip breakfast because they don't have time. They're not hungry in the morning, or they think skipping meals helps with weight loss, but honestly, skipping breakfast just creates more chaos later. When you miss out on the first meal, your blood sugar drops, your cravings spike, and you're more likely to overeat or grab something sugary and processed by noon. That's where the idea of a weight loss breakfast comes in, because foods with protein, fiber, and healthy fats help stabilize your blood sugar and keep you full longer. Even if you're not on a diet, keeping hunger and energy steady is a total game changer for mood, focus, and cravings. That's why building low-sugar meals for breakfast is such a win. You get steady fuel without the crash. And you don't have to be a health nut or gym bro to appreciate how much better your mornings feel when your breakfast isn't just a donut and cold brew that sends your energy spiking like a roller coaster and crashing by 10:30 a.m. One of the easiest and most popular healthy morning meals is oatmeal, but not the plain sugary instant packets that taste like childhood, nostalgia, and artificial flavors. Real oatmeal, rolled oats, or steel cut. Oats is basically a powerhouse of whole grains, fiber-rich foods, and slow-digesting carbs. When you load it up with fresh berries, chia seeds, a spoonful of almond butter, or even a drizzle of honey if you want a hint of sweetness, it becomes a nutritious breakfast that's warm, comforting, and insanely filling. The fiber in oats helps digestion, keeps you full for hours, and supports heart health. For people focused on steady energy, oats are one of those classic morning energy foods that don't disappoint. And if someone wants a savory vibe, mixing oats with sautéed spinach, mushrooms, and a soft-boiled egg turns the same base into a totally different breakfast that tastes gourmet without complicated steps. Another big-time winner in the breakfast world is Greek yogurt, especially because it's naturally high in protein and easily customizable. Greek yogurt bowls with fruit, nuts, and seeds make a killer high-protein breakfast without needing to cook anything. Add a handful of granola for crunch, preferably a low-sugar one so you don't cancel out the benefits, plus a swirl of peanut butter or a dash of cinnamon, and it becomes one of those clean-eating meals that satisfies both your sweet tooth and your body's need for real nutrients. People who prefer a grab-and-go morning routine love yogurt, because you can prep it the night before, or even layer it like a parfait in a mason jar if you're into that aesthetic. The protein content helps keep hunger in check, especially if you're the type who doesn't want a huge breakfast but still needs something that holds you over until lunch. Eggs, of course, are the classic American breakfast icon. Omelets, scrambled eggs, sunny side up, boiled eggs, breakfast burritos. Eggs are insanely versatile and packed with protein, healthy fats, and vitamins that keep your body fueled. When you pair eggs with veggies like spinach, tomatoes, bell peppers, or onions, they turn into a balanced diet breakfast that gives you fiber, antioxidants, protein, and flavor all in one. One of the best breakfast hacks is prepping an egg muffin, batch baked with veggies and cheese. Store them in the fridge and heat them up during the week for a fast, healthy breakfast that tastes good and takes seconds to reheat. Eggs don't have to be basic. Even a super simple Avo toast topped with a fried egg, chili flakes, lemon drizzle, and a sprinkle of salt and pepper feels like something you'd buy at a brunch spot in LA for way too much money. Except homemade is cheaper and cleaner. One thing people forget is how important healthy fats are in the morning. A lot of folks think fat is bad, but healthy fats help with steady energy, hormone support, and absorption of nutrients from foods like veggies and fruits. Avocado is the star of healthy breakfast fats, and pairing it with whole grains like whole wheat toast makes breakfast insanely satisfying. But you don't have to stop at toast. Avocado smoothies with spinach, banana protein powder, and almond milk create a creamy, filling shake that tastes like a milkshake but fuels your body like a champ. Nuts and seeds are also clutch. Almonds, chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, walnuts. These are small but mighty ingredients that add texture, nutrients, and fullness to any breakfast bowl or smoothie. And if you're a smoothie person, you can take it up a notch with spinach smoothies, berry protein shakes, chocolate protein banana blends, and green smoothies. Smoothies are perfect for people who want clean eating and low sugar meals, as long as you skip dumping in a ton of sugary syrups or juices. Smoothie bowls are another vibe. Thicker, spoonable versions of smoothies topped with fresh fruit, nuts, oats, and seeds. They're like a cross between a smoothie and frozen yogurt, except healthier and packed with morning energy foods that keep you active and alert. A smoothie bowl loaded with blueberries, bananas, plant-based protein, and almond milk topped with shredded coconut and granola hits that perfect balance of refreshing and energizing without being heavy. If you're someone who struggles to eat in the morning because heavy meals feel overwhelming, smoothie bowls are light but filling, making them a great middle ground option for folks who want savory and comforting. Breakfast ideas. There's also the underrated world of breakfast bowls like quinoa. Breakfast bowls mixed with eggs, veggies, and avocado. Quinoa isn't just for lunch or dinner. It's high in protein, gluten-free, easy to digest, and crazy filling. Combine it with roasted veggies, a soft boiled egg, a sprinkle of feta, and maybe a drizzle of olive oil or hot sauce, and boom, you've got a balanced diet breakfast that feels like a fancy cafe dish without needing chef skills. Quinoa works for sweeter versions too. Add almond milk, cinnamon, berries, and honey to create a warm, porridge-style bowl that's packed with nutrients and keeps you satisfied for hours. People who want breakfast options for weight loss, breakfast strategies are usually told to stick to lean proteins and high-fiber foods because they help curb cravings and prevent overeating later. So options like cottage cheese with pineapple, apple slices with peanut butter, turkey sausage with scrambled eggs, or chia pudding with berries become go-to meals. Chia pudding deserves its own shout-out because it's one of the easiest, zero-effort breakfasts ever. Mix chia seeds with milk, regular or plant-based. Let it sit overnight, and it turns into a pudding-like texture full of fiber, omega-3s, and nutrients. Add honey, fruit, nuts, or cocoa powder to make it tasty. It's cold, refreshing, and great for people who prefer no-cook breakfast options. For people who prefer something more classic, there's nothing wrong with a high-quality breakfast sandwich as long as it's built with whole ingredients. A nutritious breakfast sandwich made with whole-grain English muffins, turkey bacon or chicken sausage, eggs, avocado, spinach, and a slice of cheese can be both delicious and healthy. It's filling, easy to prep ahead, and way cleaner than drive-through breakfast items, loaded with sodium and preservatives. Wrap them in foil and store in the fridge for a meal prep-style routine. Breakfast burritos with scrambled eggs, beans, salsa, avocado, and veggies also offer protein, fiber, and carbs that help keep you full, making them an awesome morning option. If you're into sweet breakfast flavors, but want to keep things healthier, protein pancakes or whole wheat pancakes made with oats, bananas, and eggs make an excellent choice. They taste like traditional pancakes but without the sugar overload. Top them with berries, peanut butter, or Greek yogurt instead of drowning them in syrup. And they turn into a morning energy foods option that's still sweet and satisfying. You can make a big batch and freeze them to reheat during the week for fast mornings. For people who want something convenient and portable, energy bars or homemade granola bars made with oats, nuts, seeds, and honey are way better than sugary store-bought versions. Pair one with fruit and a boiled egg and you've got a simple, healthy breakfast that suits busy lifestyles. Overnight oats are another grab-and-go favorite. Rolled oats soaked in milk with fruit seeds and spices create a chilled, pudding-like breakfast that requires zero cooking and can be made in bulk for the whole week. Even people who love pastries, muffins, and sweet breakfast foods can make healthier versions at home using almond flour, oat flour, bananas, applesauce, or Greek yogurt to lighten the sugar and boost the nutrients. Banana oat muffins, blueberry protein muffins, or almond butter breakfast cookies can totally satisfy your cravings without leaving you sluggish. The real trick to keeping breakfast healthy is avoiding super-processed foods and focusing on whole, clean ingredients that actually fuel your body. When you build your breakfasts around whole grains, fiber-rich foods, protein, and healthy fats, your energy stays consistent, your mood stays stable, and your cravings stay minimal. You start noticing that you're more focused in the morning. You're not as hungry between meals, and your digestion feels smoother.